Today point, what are the bonds? Bonds are also known as the debt instrument, fixed income securities, and the credit securities. A bonds is the actually and the IOU contact varies the terms of the bonds, interest rates, and the date of the repayment are all the particularly defined in the legal documents. If you buy a bond or at original issue, then you the literary loaning the issuers money that will be the repaid to you at a certain time along with the period the interested payments. Bonds are all the classified under one of the three categories in the United States. The first or these are the highest rated the safety category, federal government's debt, and it's the association agencies, treasury the bills, and the treasury bonds are the fall under. This is the first category. The second types of first to the categories of the bonds are the refers to the investment grade. The third categories of bonds involves the risky types of the bonds that are the offered by the companies, estates, and the cities as such the below investment grade the bonds are the commonly referred to as the simply junk bonds. Bonds as the value of the rise and is the fall of the directly opposite of the correlation to the moment of the interest the rates. As the interest rates are the fall, the bonds are the rise. When is the interest of the rates are the rising, the bonds of the price fall. These swings up and is the down in interest the rates and is the bonds prices are the not important to you. If you buy a bonds are the whole it until the pay back of the maturity that if it's the used to the sale in the bonds before maturity, the price that is the releases will be the mostly the dependence on the what the interest rates the proof to be the like it is the time. Bonds are the investment. The states of the R is the raters by the credit the rating the agencies of the these are the stand and it supports the Modi and is the fitch of the rating of the all the bond depth of the issue are the avoiders the easy of the understand grade the such as is A plus or the B in the last few years of is financially crisis. These are the credit the rating the agencies where the reprimandated for the having the awarded sum of the company's bonds of the to the high the grades the considers in the risk that is the companies the undertook. This is was especially this is the case with the bonds are banks, investment companies, and the sum the insurance outfits. Understanding the bonds the markets is the function of the comprehending the L of the curves, L of the curves, the turn out to with the pictorials, the representation of the bonds, the interest rates, and the date of that is the richest the maturity is the retentions on this the graph the learning to the understand or the rates. This is the curves and to the figure out the space the between such curves will allow you to make educated the comparisons between various issue for bonds. Some bonds are the tax free. These are those bonds that are offered by the states and the cities, such the municipal bonds, also known munis, the helps the raise funds that are the utilized to the pay for the roads, school, dams, and the various others the projects. Interest the payments made on these the municipal bonds are the not the subject or the federal taxes. This is a max theme the attractive to the some investor. Thank you.